Rainy days make everything feel softer.
No rush. We'll enjoy the road.
The rain sounds like a story. It's warm. I like this. Warm food makes hearts calm. This soup will warm us up.
This feels peaceful. It's delicious.
I want to remember this. The rain stayed with us.
But it's warm in here.
Rain is cozy. I don't want this night to end. Can we stay forever? Everything is calm.
We're safe.
Good night. Good night.
Good night, rain.
Good morning, my family.
Morning, Mommy.
Good morning, everyone.
Hi.
Simple food, happy hearts.
Absolutely, it smells wonderful.
I can't wait. Me too.
Best mornings are slow.
Let's keep moving.
I like this silence.
It feels warm inside.
It really does, sweetie.
I like it.
Small moments matter. Small moments matter, like this rain and us being together.